CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.4 Explain the troubleshooting methodology. Identify the problem. The first step in CompTIA's troubleshooting process is to identify the problem. To do this, we must turn to the left side of our brains and think logically. Fortunately, we have a few guidelines that can help keep us on track during this stage of troubleshooting. The main objective, at this stage in the troubleshooting process, is to gather information. Information can be gathered in many ways. You can try duplicating the problem. Observing the issue as it occurs can give great insight. You can question the users. If a user is experiencing the problem, they will have first-hand knowledge of the issue. Also, don't discount that the issue could be user error. Computing systems and their programs, at times, can be complex, so misuse is always a possibility. Identifying the symptoms will help narrow down possible causes for an issue. Symptoms could include error messages or physical conditions. Many times, we can use our sense of smell, sight, touch, or hearing as diagnostic tools. Though I would probably avoid taste. Determining if anything has changed is another way to identify a problem. Commonly, issues arise after changes or updates have taken place. Finally, if there are multiple problems, treat them as separate issues, at least until you're certain they are related. Assuming multiple symptoms are related to a single cause can lead to occasional misdiagnosis. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.